Good morning to everyone. My name is Harita and I'm assistant professor in Anusar Engineering College, belongs to mechanical branch. Today I'm going to explain about manufacturing processes. Mainly, first of all, we will see what is the introduction of manufacturing processes. On going to the syllabus, in Unit 1, we are having what is importance and selection of manufacturing processes. Means here we are seeing what are the manufacturing processes we are using in the industry and etc. What is the definition of the manufacturing process? All this can be seen in this introduction part. After that, we are entering into the main concept of casting processes. This is very important topic in in every year because it is the combination of several processes. Mainly, so many industries are using this process only. First of all, we will see in that introduction to casting process, afterwards process steps, pattern, pattern types, materials and allowances what are is having, all this can be seen in this casting processes. After that, course, it is a separate part. What are the types of course, core principles and design of gating system. This is the main part in the casting process. After completing this casting process, we will go through the solidification of casting. It is the main concept in casting process and very important topic. Concept solidification of pure metal and alloy. Okay, it is very important topic. After that, we will go through the different types of casting processes. Those are shell casting, investment casting, die casting, centrifugal casting, casting defects and remedies. Okay. After that, in second unit, we will go through the metal forming processes. Metal forming processes means here we are converting the metals into the different by using different processes, and we are making an object, required object. How we will do means in later in every session I will explain one by one. Okay. In metal forming processes, first of all, we will see the introduction part, and after that, nature of plastic deformation, hot and cold working of metals, mechanics of metal forming. Okay, these are all the basics of the metal forming processes. After that, we will go through the rolling process. In rolling, what is the principle, types of rolling mill and products, how the roll passes through the object, forces in rolling and power requirements. All these can be observed in this rolling process. It is also a very important topic. And after that, extrusion is also an important topic. Basic extrusion process and its characteristics, hot extrusion and cold extrusion, wire drawing, etc. can be seen in this one. Okay. Next, in the second unit only we are having two topics. First one is the forming process and second one is the forging process. Forging also, it is very important. In this, principles of forging, tools and dies. And what are the types of forging? We are having different types of forging. Those are smith forging, drop forging, forging hammers, rotary forging and forging defects. After that, sheet metal forming is a separate topic in this. In this, we will see mechanics of sheet metal working, blanking, piercing and bending and stamping. All these are different types of forging. On coming to the third unit, we are having metal joining process. Metal joining process means these are welding processes. Joining of two metals by applying extra heat and joining, those are known as metal joining process. It is known as welding process simply. Let us see what are the types and what are the processes involved in this. First one is the classification of welding processes. Here we will see the what are the classifications. After that, what are the types of welds and types of weld joints and VI characteristics, voltage and current characteristics and arc welding, weld bead geometry, submerged arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, gas metal arc welding and its applications, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the above processes, and other fabrication processes. These are all the metal joining, different types of metal joining processes. After that we will see heat affected zones in welding. Heat affected zones means this is a very important topic in metal joining process. Okay. After that we will see soldering and brazing. This is also an important topic. In this we will see types and their applications. After that, welding defects, causes and remedies. In the fourth unit, on going to the fourth unit, we are having plastic processing, ceramics and powder metallurgy. I had already told to you this subject is a combination of manufacturing technology and manufacturing processes. So here they in the fourth unit they are given this topic as the just basics only. They are not involved deeply. Okay, that's why these three topics can be known very not very briefly. Just they had given only the simple parts. Okay, basics of the plastic processing, ceramics and powder metallurgy only. First coming to the plastics. In plastics, what are the types, properties and their applications can be seen here. And after that, how we are processing of plastics means how we are generating the plastics. After that, extrusion of plastics, transfer molding and compression molding, injection molding. In our lab also we are having this molding machine, and here, there we are making a plastic bottle in the injection molding. Okay, if the lab starts means we will do that one definitely. After that, thermoforming, rotational molding and blow molding. We are having the blow molding also. In the injection molding we are making caps, and in the blow molding we are making the bottles. Okay, these two can be done in our lab. After that, ceramics. This is the second topic in the fourth unit, and ceramics are very widely using now in everywhere, because they are light in weight and they are available in they can be manufactured very easily with a low cost, and they are also very less weight. That's why this is a very important topic, ceramics also. On coming to the ceramics, we are having classification of ceramic materials, properties and their application, ceramic powder preparation, processing of ceramic parts, how we are processing that by using pressing method, casting, sintering, secondary processing of ceramics, coating and finishing process. Okay, next on going to the powder metallurgy. Powder metallurgy is a very important topic and it is in almost MTech stage. Here only basics we are knowing. What is the principle of the powder metallurgy, manufacture of powders and steps involved in the powder metallurgy only. Okay. In the last fifth unit, it is known as unconventional machining process. For your seniors, it is second unit machining processes, machine joining process, and this unconventional machining process will come in one unit only. But it is for you, it is divided into two parts. That's the difference only. Okay, unconventional machining processes. In this unconventional machining processes, there are by using electricity or different methods we are joining the materials. Okay, that can be known here. These all are very easy and we can learn very easily. Only we are having electrical discharge machining, principle and process parameters. What are the principle and the process parameters of each one? Okay, electrochemical machining, laser beam machining, plasma arc machining and electron beam machining, principles and process parameters of abrasive jet machining, water jet machining, ultrasonic machining. These are different types of machining processes, and widely now using in every industry because they are low maintenance and they can be manufactured without the manpower only. That's why so many industries are using these processes, and these are very easy topic. Okay, now let us go to the introduction of introduction of manufacturing process that can be discussed in the next video. Okay, thank you students.